Hi guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. Welcome back to Armcandy. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tamara and I'm going to talk you through this beautiful piece of Armcandy. I'm going to talk you through the features and condition of this St. Laurent bag. We have a website, the link is in the comments below. We sell pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. But before you go, I want to show you through this one that we've got listed on there at the minute. Okay, so it is, of course, St. Laurent. It is their envelope wallet on a chain, and it is absolutely stunning. The condition is insane. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's got the chevron detail on it, and it is in their, as they say, grande poudre, or grained leather. It's got that grained finish to it. And of course, the advantage of it having the grain finish is it is much more resistant to scratches and to scuffs, and so it makes it a much more durable leather. Okay, so we've got the long strap, it's got the leather bit that would sit on your shoulder and then chain. The strap is removable, I'll show you that in a second. Let's just put it on so you can have a look at it when it's on. The measurements of the bag are on the website. This is the smaller of the two options, or the two options that they used to have. This is the smaller one. Measurements are said on the website. I'm about a UK 10, I'm about 5'4", so hopefully that puts it into some sort of perspective for you. That is how it would fit if it was on the shoulder. I'm going to show you the inside in a second. I just want to quickly show you what this comes with. It comes with the box, it comes with the dust bag, it comes with the product tag, it's also got the little cute little envelope that I like. Inside here there are care documents and leather authentication documents. There's all kinds of things going on in there. We've also got the bigger envelope, which has got just the plain St. Laurent card. It's also got the original receipt, and it's also got a label. I think that is probably the returns label to send it back to Net-a-Porter, but it's got that with it as well. So everything is with it. Okay, so we've got, of course, the gorgeous YSL hardware on the front. Obviously envelope, flap closure with a Prested fasten. And then you won't be able to see this, but even on the Prested it says St. Laurent. That definitely won't focus, my camera won't focus on that for you. But if I open them up, hopefully you'll be able to see that just there. And it's got one main pocket, one main section. At the back here, it's got what they call their bills pocket, so that's where you could put your notes. Then there are 6, can you see, 6 card slots, 3 on this side, 3 just here. And then at the front, it's got one zipped pocket here, okay, which goes right to the base of the bag, and the zip works very easily, okay, so no problem with the zip at all. Okay, so we've got the same grained leather here, and that back section where your card slots are, that is grained leather as well. But then this side, the inside base and inside the pocket is the most beautiful soft lamb's leather. So this bag feels so luxurious to use and to touch and to hold. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, condition. The exterior is in excellent condition. The hardware is in excellent condition, and the interior we've called very good, simply because there are signs of wear. Nothing's going to show up because it's so dark inside, but just because of the soft leather, there's just signs that somebody has used the bag, so I can see they've put something in, taken it out. But it is nothing major, hence why we've called it very good, but we just couldn't quite call it excellent. Okay, so I think this is a fabulous little addition to your bag collection. Look at it, it's so cool, I love it. And as I said, there is a link to this on the website if you go to my comments below. But before you rush off and do that, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, do that. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so that we will send you a little alert when we put our new video on. If bags are your thing, then you really should be subscribed to this channel, because we're a consignment store, we have bags coming in every single day. So if there's a bag you're looking for, it could well be that it arrives tomorrow and you don't want to miss it. So hit the bell and then we'll give you a little alert when our video comes on, and you'll know whether that is your dream bag coming in. Once you've done that, then hit the link to the website, go and have a look and see what else is on there. It will take you straight to this page. but then have a look around and see what else we've got going on. And whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter. We have a 5% discount off your first purchase for those that sign up. It will take you about 20 seconds. You just scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, you put your email address, and then we'll automatically send you your discount code. If it doesn't come through immediately, check your spam folder because sometimes they end up in there. But your discount code will come straight through. And it's worth getting that discount code ready. Even if this isn't going to be your first purchase with us, go and get your discount. And also, there's a link in the comments below to our Instagram. If you like bags and if you're interested in knowing what goes on in Armcandy world, what bags are coming up, go and check us out on Instagram. Have a lovely rest of the day, and either myself or Izzy will see you tomorrow with tomorrow's bag.